This is my property where I burn waste vegetable oil. Here's a picture of my video of my chimney. Currently there is absolutely no exhaust. That just proves a very clean burn. Carbon neutral. So we're helping the environment. Let's go inside and see the boiler. Just take a second here. I'll be quick. Alright. Okay, it's nice and warm in here. Thank you, boiler. Like a dungeon. There's a game floor. It's pretty cool. Kids like it. Okay. Here we are. This is it. Let me show you the temperature. It's currently at about, can you see that? (100 degrees Celsius, 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Go inside and have a look at the flame. Alright, that's a very hot flame. It's yellowish white. Really, you can't get much hotter than that. Nice. Well, that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be talking more soon. Bye-bye.